Alright guys, couldn't find a video online for a eXmark LazerZ HP like this one, so thought I'd make a video. Changing the drive belt on this thing, and so I took this top plate off over here, and the tensioner on it down here doesn't have anywhere like a normal tensioner does where you can put the wrench in there and loosen it or whatever. So I used this wrench and just pushed that over and got the belt loose. Then came back here underneath, and took the belt off. This is the deck belt, whatever you want to call it. It has to come off and out of the way before this drive belt can go on up here above it, and then it wraps around these three and this one here. However, before you can do that, you also have to take off this bracket right here. I don't know if you can see it. This bracket right here. This one. This is this bolt right here for this bracket. There, that might be a little better. So, in doing so, there's also this wire connector that comes through this hole, and it connects through there. It has to be unplugged as well and taken off. So then you can take this bracket off right here. It looks like it's holding, I don't know what that is. It looks like brake pads or something, I don't know. But this belt has to go up over that to get up here to the top side, so it has to come off as well. Kind of a pain in the ass, really. But there's that. Also, one other thing I want to show is, because there is not a little lever to put this thing into neutral, like every other eXmark I've seen online, or saw online, these right here are to put it in neutral. There's a little little explanation deal here that tells you. But you just turn those one turn, and it goes into neutral. It usually has a black little lever that you flip, and it goes into neutral. But I want to share that because I did not find anything about those. Called eXmark dealer. They didn't say anything either. They had no idea. Even after giving all the info that I could. Another thing that I had to find along the way is under here's like serial number, a little bit of information you need underneath the seat for the engine. There's serial number. Then also on the side over here is model number and serial number if you're looking for that. But for this particular eXmark, it has a 52.5 inch belt. So I just got one from O'Reilly's. There's part number. Don't know if it fits yet. Don't know if it's gonna work because it's just a smidge either bigger or smaller. I can't remember. However, there's a tensioner on here, so it can handle a little bit of give. I mean, it's 52 inches, but it's 52 something. It wasn't half exactly. So I'm gonna find out if it works. And if you're curious, leave a comment. But I'm gonna try to get this belt back on here now. And because iPhone sucks and hasn't added a feature where I can pause this and restart, and I don't know how to edit videos, this is the end. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. I'm still figuring this thing out as I go. But I believe this is a 2005 model maybe. But all right, good luck.